Alan Mabuka Hamas in method Kenyam Bakon took cover like commentina Yakon and Banana Gawala. So gan ren go robet him ya ngadi je ryudun ngayen katankun ka kon very ignorant. So awala mente joy konen bukur bet ka nasar adong banan hagun wala ngish kon diale ku telephone ka me cha yoda gad mashar mi joga na to konen anwere pala kor mi sharp kor chi aja pal keje ala nwere an win mon keli goro biajar ngaj loy duna no nene ala wouldn't chala Dr. Yang Mashar she kwar nwere jen a vice president of South Sudanese ala jen letin balet chabala ne let kun yen nwere jan balana let kware ne self-care. So mishala de self-care jan balado ko jan that's his job, a vice president of South Sudanese. Okay? Jan chi poor nwara. Manager lado be take a guas me. Mungaya na mi to point a gun my share chair dol a chair meeting a chair chola balaro yen rigori yakara kon kuarun. No. Ala yen biaja lat bidun kon and kura tag yen a kajangan wala o yen. Chai look as anwere. Chai look ko take a gun machar muki in support or not. Today, in supporter of gun machar or not, but you nuk nukone nejan war. So in the future, get it into your head. Gun machar mi she cool, she make yod yoka yen ganwere. Tell yodoka on behalf of Neneko ganwere. Kwe yodoka on behalf of Kojan find a South Sudanese politician. Okay. No more one legend which you corrode and Jaco Nene be Bokon and joke. So I'll repeat it no go over right too much about this case, but go no nene be a lot of awareness ko nene with Guar. Riang Mashar, he's vice president of South Sudanese. Kajan his job self-care because self-care is the president of South Sudan. So Jan he's bidding Kenyan South Sudanese chicken yung reshak. Maradian ngoro balarie yen ngaine jen wale rei door ki win mona to kontano jang system which is set up konene ano gwadi chanwer che jiktin be yingnak a jin ran kwarnga a jeron kwana in the name of ku chor mi swale nwer ku je karik bi yiglu keja. So me take a protection is here nungre wedun kanasar me take a white army michibin me kona nebe yagang. There is no reason. Maybe I didn't known take a politician South Sudanese. Maybe you stop from protecting yourself. Okay? You're not Michaya Ben Magdul. Chi and the lim no kora to the end of a jogging yenya. A kiramo be yoga palokori be a course your fall. Kor Michaben, defend yourself. Quarodun the fun. Take a gun where to one along to lad KJ jogger to go and oh in a metogi no metogi. No, it's all an excuse. Okay, gun machar, excuse me, yours can ye. Yan were a fine good lad we do no in a child look. Okay, come go ya no but to queer. Maybe you lead right come to a go. When you rodun queer. Kokon were telecon queer, me de wishung a loala which are queer and on 80 query and a ngapa on a queer and a telecon queer. So Chana Rodan Gurkwer, Ganma Charti Jan Bukon defend on him, Kojan is a South Sudanese politician. Bidding Nika Dialton Balad is a South Sudanese politic. So Kajan Guato the more Bufagano. Advise them about work social media influencers. Alayan it into all social media influencers, Kiyana Dialton riding while like a public take a ride to one along to Ladiana. So and Guyana Biada, she will take a mission there lad. But Nini Joguan and no Kurmisha Kurmishi yet. Goron and Abia took down Banajetit. A real dantan of Bunko line, Michelle con idea no con or banner cock get banner cock met, banner manila ban no nuere swakala online. Cause yen weki. Okay, junk cherry alaka destroy jitka ka shunga. Okay, con a corrod anti jacon and a book on a quine janikatate. We know no moguano jin begin of quine quotes, chi quine run. And no book on a quine jang while letter concatate. So my bellari in social public figure right doon parage abuni yen ko bi abun boom no kon especially yen men bia ko bi abun boom no men ko kon la tem no wunu ton loy dan no we boom Lloyd dan mu we bong ba nena kan right kon boom kan ba ko ter ka tas lois a kon tibe ka social media take you to tol kon to wa gor ma chana ka tol ka pin kan dia and also yen were kel mu ba kam yu ko me sha kor mi shirom yen gora rodun dit to go dinda han dej wala bakal wala well tin ngayen ko kwar no re gwa tikatin dola ka gwa kel kana to bukana tol mu gor kana ma mira mata ka Europe gwa bi Europe ka gor ka fin ka telephone mate ka yuto tol kana ka jaba ka sol ka fin okay the fact like a corner baker social media oh no mabalen oh ba de ni shaka jakujime you guys are giving information out. Okay, kora mashi kor mabana tereja bank by talking on social media. You guys really need to be smart. Goria no be a pel, be a jel had we done. Kora mo weken teja mad kapel, we never knew. 2013 balloonjok and this time is going to be worse. So malara je yo gwana na run miti da kwafal. Let's take actions. Okay, mugu yana nuhere social media jen kwa social media reach we mono akurini yen kanetin gwe yen katitin yam dan tala neti dit ngaki jo chicken kon be betray ko today manakon ti jankara nuher karo no koro because of you nuher karo no koro kuzu kon information take out. So advice and come here yen public figure telling problem karaidun but please a limit to karaidun. Be careful on the information you're giving out. Okay, ngini jokorka enemy is everywhere. Social media, shedid yal shakabutu. So nuere dial tin charo kwak tinaka nuere, leave them alone. But time dian ben. It's no time mukone na bana burual ka social media bana information beben give out. Like I said, a wuna ka kuar gad kui right man nuerishen and a live to take information to want to la lad kiltin along. You need to control that. Muka yena to loni jala togi biya nuere biya ka look have secret meetings, have a secret society to biya nuerukun biya ka look again. Okay, this korama to go beyond. Moradian a quinya mentual new root nyale root and read and tar la regina mara read to me. I saw you earlier and you had a breakdown because you loyed to say along. Yanwere nyanat a loyd boom. Can I diate quiet bully? Ala ne diaton ko da trying to book a live she ba nyalel babilla responsible kiko and to ki babin jogumala demigia wuni. Runyale lenye tankun yen wuni ticham jeni ticham kani yo jane. Nyamadan ngi kondiale take a position. Kasa Sudanese and then she dropped out to resign. Nuko na chelo na nakanwara. If you guys want to go be information no be go be ajok. Don't can post jen karwide jen to resign. Kobaga no river kaladika. So what she's doing, she's not playing around. Okay? And guano ran be aja appreciate guadin take. Ruth nini jo continue koru and we appreciate you sis. Comment to let ka queen were wale to resign ka quidian kona na baga no river kabila dika. Chi logo malat ka shami jek. Thank you, Medid. We're really happy. Kabloy dubu. Alright. So yen were kwandi alchano road and tit. I can't to talk anyhow on social media. Be careful on the messages you're bringing here. Lloyd and Kondial tole. She ought been guama no online, but what in a mathematum banama little chijan bukorama. Look, this now is at a limit, it's too deep. And around what it no, where you feel, and on an emele rode is very deep. She marako langani ya. Benyogalar social media shana jafal. Kateka na ito koki and my last message na ito ntana and kwaja advocate. Oh, a kora manina kanaga jokten a kangu wait Nuëri. When are you gonna get it? Today me and Nasser nakanaga jokten bishobarun kamai wood baga jagunak bishobarun kabintio nak bishobarun we lock about lonak. So please division dun kwajafal. Okay? Michaka jot kanasar chiga nasar kan chao magton queen kundang one dial we are kanasar bulugino be a korunu ter. Arun ben kabintio be yet ben kabintio be a korunu tel. There is power by standing together. A child distract. I had one kel michi enemy cherry alkalung mijaga yakan yenwere. Laya hoga kor metoden and a konga yan paikun biao to itin bodos kamadun. She much a kutung nanny jate chokutung chobo light on a me korga juk ega jak chukoko or bitionung shukor and all loud. What is wrong with you people? Chaka na cook a guy young nakaka cook and weary. Okay, nakaka ko Nuëri. What you guys need is a real action, not talking nonsense online. Not talking nonsense online. So dole binti omaka yana tinkati yan ka white army ka lung yan kor madaroshi monukun. Yan dole loka miti yan ka white army ka lung yan kor madaroshi more. Mani yan ga jaguno madaroka. Kor is not about ga joglo binti or whatever and whatever. Self-care indeed Nuëri chakanok. Jang indeed Nuëri chakanok. So what am I nakan and dormishwale Nuëri? It doesn't matter where you're from. So me de laria kon nyekun chung de la nyekun chang betangu liu kora wale bine ye loda wich God kon kwar bine kada ban ngaji je gwa na God kun tin bine ka loda buka jingnu wich misharia laka wana kian buka jingnu wich misharia laka wana kian okay kore dung kon fine ko tine ko ne bine kare ni would me the shake jaw de loy de la buma. Okay, changti tan nyia kun changti ke yen nyer to yen ka chika de yen kon nyer nu heritin chako logi da dong kono korun. All right, so try information. My 3 message in short: don't give information out. Stop division. Chana wo kor kondi al kuskor chebenten. It doesn't matter chatogedi. It doesn't matter what it is. It is what it is. So kondial bana yugu kor no kondial. Chane our differences chane you put aside. Cause jangurun gwan nan kanatan shakon billing. Okay, ken pelken. Tijan ken pelken. But me pelka can they know how our mind works. We need to oversmart them. We need to be one step ahead of them every time. So maladu nena stay less in social media. Rajarar Ningundi akwaga plan yen ga Nuëri ti chiaro jigi yen guad Nuëri doloro ka secret ta ke ninkune de yen a lot. Stop arguing on social media and stop giving informations on social media. And one more time, gan ma charmu we to call me we nyok make me we yo stop yen gan Nuëri be ayanga jitu ko e call me be ka South Sudanese government. E call me be ka Self-Care. Then he's the vice president. That's all I want to say. Biadot Kamal gan Nuëri. Aloy dundum. Telungu kud pora kud e chakon gadeng bako look Chudiɛr.